Hi friends, it's Deborah. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. I am super excited about this video. It's going to be a short one because I am so happy to say that I am going to do my first solo collaboration that I am hosting independently. So what I've decided to do around this time of the year, I do a lot of reorganization and a lot of purging. So at this point, I'm doing like underneath my kitchen cabinet. So that is what this collaboration is going to be for. It is under the cabinet organization. So what I'm asking everyone to do is just pick an area in your home that you need to organize that is under the counter. It could be your Tupperware section, your pots and pans, your cleaning supplies like under the counter, or something in your bathroom. And I just hope that everybody would join me in this. It's my first one, so I'm a little nervous. So the rules are as follows. Just pick an area like I stated, and be subscribed to my channel. Put the link to my channel also in your subscription box, and link it to the playlist. Now, I would like for you to title it Under the Counter Organization. And if you have a hashtag in front of that, it should auto-populate to the channel. More than anything, I just want everybody to have fun. I think this would be amazing, and I think for me, all of my areas under the counter are a hot mess because they are hidden and people can't see it, and we tend to ignore those areas that people can't walk into your house and actually see because nobody's really opening the cabinet to under the kitchen sink. So that is an area that I am going to work on. Okay, guys, the upload date is going to be February the 1st. Once again, that's February the 1st at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you guys would really join me in this collaboration. I am so super excited. It's my first one, so be nice. I am looking forward to it. All right, guys, so I will see you in the next video.